Alyson, thanks for sitting down with me today. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having time.
Alyson, how does the product introduction life cycle differ between the biological and the conventional products that BASF has been bringing to market for years?
Well, certainly in classical crop protection, the timelines are longer, almost 10 years, and I think the current accounting is up to about 280 million euros. And biologicals are faster and certainly require less upfront investment. And that's really very exciting for us because you can bring these technologies that are really useful to market much quicker. But certainly the landscape is changing. It's different than when it was 2 years ago, and I'm sure it'll be different in 2 years from now. And that's what makes it a dynamic and exciting business. But for sure, biologicals are quicker to bring to market. And in some cases, it's anywhere from 18 months to 5 years.
Right, which is very different. Very different indeed. Your role at BASF has changed over the years. You're now with the Functional Crop Care Division. Why is that so? I mean, I can tell by the look on your face that that's an exciting move for you. What's so exciting about that?
So I've been with BASF for 25 years.
Right.
And what I love about BASF is that there's always lots of different things to do. But certainly a startup is really, really exciting. Yeah. And what's exciting, especially about functional crop care, is that we get to work closely with growers as well as customers to really understand what their needs are, anticipate those needs, and then bring together a really strong, robust portfolio on the chemistry side with the new technologies and opportunities we have in functional crop care and make something new.
And new is exciting. There's no doubt about it.
Yes,
There's no doubt about it. Stewardship and responsible management, a key ingredient for farmers today, and certainly something that BASF is looking to help them with. What other ways is BASF working to help the farmer with those particular topics? Well,
certainly stewardship and responsible management are part of our sustainability creed. And for us, sustainability we define in two ways. One is that we want ag itself to be sustainable. We want the grower's business to be going on for generations to come. So we need the business to be sustainable, and we need also to enable the growers to meet society's expectations. Society's expectations are different than they were 40 years ago and certainly 40 years from now. So in stewardship and responsible management, as part of that sustainability, for example, we have coatings portfolio that really helps active ingredients stay where they're supposed to stay, which is on the seed.
Right. And some of this is new into BASF, or certainly some of the technology with acquisitions, adding into the mix. How or why did you guys choose the acquisitions that you chose? Why was that kind of critical for the growth of BASF?
Well, we're looking for acquisitions where they drive new technologies, where they collaborate with customers, where they have strong teams, and we look for those to synergize really with the technologies and the portfolios that we have within BASF.
And they matched up beautifully, especially in this particular case. And I mean, I'm speaking of the Becker Underwood acquisition, and I mean, it has really made for a powerful offering to the farmer. In your opinion, and I'm asking you to bring out that crystal ball, what does the future of crop protection look like?
Well, and I think that's what's really exciting is that we have these very strong portfolios. We have new technologies coming, and for me it's going to be how do those fit together in the more, let's say, more subtle ways. How do you really get the chemistry and the biology working together where you have the best of both, where you have 1 + 1 = 3, where you have the opportunities and the technologies be more problem specific and work to the growers whatever their particular need is.
So, and that's obviously based on trends you're seeing. Can you talk a little bit about the trends you're seeing in the industry?
Well, one trend I see very clearly, and we talk a lot about, is the increasing focus on soil. And not that, I think the industry has really recognized that soil is a hugely important asset, but an appreciation for the communities or the microbiome, if you call it, within soil and the interactions that happen with the plant. And really understanding that more and how that affects active ingredients, the plant's reaction, biologicals, seed treatment, and all of the rest of it.
And how it all comes together. I think the onus is shifting now right to the manufacturer, to the supplier, to the life science company to be able to get that information into the hands of farmers. What is there programs or projects that BASF has initiated to get that message right into the farmers' hands?
Yes, certainly that we are working with data information along with others, where we really work with the growers to say what information do they need to do a better decision or to increase their efficiency, and to say that here are then the tools that you would use in that particular circumstance, and then to match that up to using it at the right time in the right place where they get the right effect.
Right. I keep hearing from farmers around the globe that they're not really looking for more information. They're looking for interpreted information. Mm-hmm. And I think that's kind of right. That's the direction that we're going. Right. Yeah. Excellent.
Good.
Alyson, thanks very much for sitting down with me.
Well, I appreciate the time again.